Ang isa pang pakiusap namin talaga is the ISPs, no, Internet Service Providers, and the telcos to start filtering, to put filters in their systems para hindi makalusot itong ganitong gawain. And sabi ko nga namin kahapon, pag hindi nag-cooperate ang ISPs at nakakalusot lagi, there's a pattern na lumulusot sa kanila, we will also include them in the people who will be charged for online sexual exploitation. We are that serious, no?
What are the possible criminal charges and other sanctions that can be imposed against them?
Well, the NTC can issue fines on a daily basis for non-compliance. That's been done before. They can issue a daily fine for every day of non-compliance, and it has to be steep. Let it be steep. But of course, they can be closed down if they do not. If they really become part of the crime itself, and they refuse to operate, then there's no reason for them not to be shut down. Ano ho to? We call a spade a spade. Pag kumampi ka sa kalaban, kalaban ka na rin.